Hello friends, now we learn in standard 10 chapter 1 another topic is a find HCF by using Euclid's division method. In a chapter 1 theorem 1.1 Euclid division lemma. As per Euclid, given positive integers a and b, there exists unit integers q and r satisfying that a is equal to b into q plus r, where a is greater than or equal to b and b is always greater than r. As per division, we can write as a, if a is divided by b, we got answer q and remainder may be r. A is a dividend, b is a divisor, q is a quotient and r is a remainder. We will learn from this illustration. If 17 divided by 6, you can see that 17 divided by 6 2 is 12. So 2 as a quotient and 5 is a remainder. So we can write as a 17 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 5. Another one, 12 divided by 5. 5 2 is 12. So here 2 is a quotient and also 2 is a remainder. So we can write as a 12 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. 20 divided by 4. 4 5 is 20. Here 5 is a quotient and remainder is a 0. So we can write as a 20 is equal to 4 into 5 plus 0. Here, as per Euclid division lemma, we can find HCF with this lemma. Here we learn find HCF by Euclid division algorithm. One example is that find HCF of 455 and 42. Here you can see that 455 is greater than 42. So we will divide 455 by 42. 42 to n 420, we get answer 35. As per Euclid, we will write as a 455 is equal to 42 into 10 and remainder 35 plus 35. Now here, this method, we will find HCF using Euclid division. So you see that 42 now divide by 35. Every time remainder will be divide, it's a divisor. Okay. So here you can see that 42 is divided by 35. Here I will explain this. 42 divided by 35. 35 1 ja 35. Remainder 7. Now we can write as a 42 is equal to 35 into 1 plus 7. Now 7 divide to 35. Here 35 7. 7 5 ja 35. Remainder 0. So we can write as a 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0. We get 0. When we get a remainder 0, and that time upper last remainder from 0 is a HCF of our question. HCF is equal to 455 and 42 is a 7. This is a method to find HCF by using Euclid division algorithm. Here is another question. Try and solve this. Now here find HCF of 115 and 25. We will divide 115 by 25. 25 4 ja, here 100, remainder 15. Now 25 divided by 15, 25 is equal to 15 1 ja, plus remainder 10. Now 15 divided by 10, 10 1 ja, remainder 5. Now 10 is equal to 5, 5 2 ja 10, remainder 0. So here HCF is a 5. And another one, 120 and 23. 120 divided by 23, 5 ja, remainder 5. 23 divided by 5, 5 4 ja, remainder 3. 5 divided by 3, 3 1 ja, remainder 2. 3 divided by 2, remainder 1. 2 divided by 1, remainder 0. So our HCF is a 1. Now you can see here we also find LCM with this formula. HCF of A into B and LCM of A and B is equal to A into B. I will use this example, HCF 115 and 25 and LCM of 115 and 25 is equal to multiply of 115 and 25. Now here LCM in subject form, so this HCF goes in divide. 115 into 25 divided by HCF of 115 and 25. So 115 into 25 divided by, we here find HCF is a 5. So divide by 5, 5 5 is 25. So here 115 into 5, our answer of LCM is equal to 575. Here is some practice exercise. These numericals from textbook and these are extra with answer. Here you can see this. You will prepare properly and you will easily find HCF by using Euclid division algorithm.